To transfer data from your old phone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what we can do is we can use the Smart Switch app that we should already have on our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Usually you can find it in the Samsung folder. Now in my case it is over here. If you open it for the first time, you need to tap on continue over here and grant all of these permissions to be able to use the app. Now as for your old phone, if your previous phone is or was Samsung, then there's a high chance that you also have the same app on your previous device. So just search for Samsung Smart Switch app or Smart Switch app on your Samsung device, on your previous one. If you had any other Android, or if your previous phone was an iPhone, then in that case you will have to download the Smart Switch app. So of course you need to go to the Play Store or the App Store and then just simply search for Smart Switch or Samsung Smart Switch, and then you should be able to easily find the app. So of course once you have it, you want to open it. Now here we're gonna tap on Let's Go. Of course remember to grant all the permissions as well. On Z Flip 8 we're gonna choose that we want to receive on this phone because we want to transfer from previous device to this Z Flip 8. And here in my case I'm gonna choose Galaxy/Android, and we're gonna scan this QR code that we have here and then wait for both devices to connect together. So let's wait for that. And in case you have trouble with connecting both devices like that, you can try to use a cable that fits both your Galaxy Z Flip 8 and your previous phone. So let's see if this is going to work. There we go. So let's connect first. There we go. Now in case you have to, let me actually start from the scratch over there. So if you go to receive and Galaxy Android, then over here you need to tap on learn more. There we go, and then we should be able to connect both devices together. Afterwards, you can decide whatever you want to transfer. You can of course transfer everything, or you can go for a custom, and you can go next, and then you can decide one by one what exactly you want to transfer and what should not be transferred. Now in my case, I'm just gonna transfer images, and because I don't need to transfer anything else, but of course in your case you probably want to transfer everything, and then just tap on transfer and wait until it is done. Of course, the time that is required to transfer everything depends on how much you have to transfer. So the more files you have to transfer, the more data you need to transfer, the longer it's going to take to actually do so. And there we go. Once we are done, just tap on done on both devices, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.